Yes, hello everyone. This song dedicated to all of you and sa ating partner. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pag-join sa ating mga collabs. Thank you, Queen. Thank you so much, partner. Please fall in love in a hurry. Please give your hearts much too soon. Just put into bars of stardust. Just hang out one silly moon. They'll get the love torches burning, and they should be playing it cool. I used to love her, now I'm the same. Take a look at a brand new fool. Who's fall in love just like schoolgirls, blinded by rose-colored dreams. They build their castles on each shell with only rainbows for beam. They're making plans for the future. They should be right back in school. Used to love her, now I'm the same. Take a look at a brand new fool. Yes, once again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga organic followers and friends natin sa Family Clan, The Rising Soul Family Content, Team Collabs, at sa lahat po ng mga non-followers, sa lahat po ng mga viewers, sa mga gifters, sa mga nag-share po ng ating cover. Thank you so much. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang aming Team Collabs. God bless you all and I love you all. Yes, thank you so much. They're making plans for the future, and they should be right back in school. Thank you so much, partner. Yes, Queen.